Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it using directly our contact list or the settings, let's say. And of course I'll show you both options, so let's begin with the contact list. Let's find the contact you've got currently saved and you would like to block and tap on it. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and choose block number. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So you can, as you can see, report it as a spam. I don't want to do that, so let me untick this option and let's tap on block. And as you can see, from now on this number is blocked, so as it was set, you won't receive actually anything from it. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping here on unblock numbers, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the very first way to block a number, and let me show you the second option. It doesn't really matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist and that's the number we just blocked from our contact list. Here from this level you can also block a number manually, so let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here you can enter the number you want to block and tap on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got cool option which is called unknown, and thanks to this your device will be able to block calls from an unidentified caller. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, or turn it off just by tapping on it again. So of course you can unblock those numbers from this level just by tapping on this X button and confirming it. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.